AWS EBS. Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, provides block-level storage volumes for use with EC2 instances. EBS volumes behave like raw, unformatted block devices. You can mount these volumes as devices on your instances. EBS volumes that are attached to an instance are exposed as storage volumes that persist independently from the life of the instance. You can create a file system on top of these volumes, or use them in any way you would use a block device, such as a hard drive. You can dynamically change the configuration of a volume attached to an instance. We recommend Amazon EBS for data that must be quickly accessible and requires long-term persistence. EBS volumes are particularly well suited for use as the primary storage for file systems, databases, or for any applications that require fine granular updates and access to raw, unformatted block-level storage. Amazon EBS is well suited to both database-style applications that rely on random reads and writes, and to throughput-intensive applications that perform long, continuous reads and writes. EBS volumes are highly available and durable, and can be used for a variety of workloads, including databases. EBS volumes are a good choice for database workloads, as they provide the performance and durability that databases require. Web servers. EBS volumes can be used to store the web application files and data for web servers. File servers. EBS volumes can be used to store files for file servers. Virtual machines. EBS volumes can be used to store the operating system and applications for virtual machines. Features of Amazon EBS. You create an EBS volume in a specific availability zone, and then attach it to an instance in that same availability zone. To make a volume available outside of the availability zone, you can create a snapshot and restore that snapshot to a new volume anywhere in that region. You can copy snapshots to other regions and then restore them to new volumes there, making it easier to leverage multiple AWS regions for geographical expansion, data center migration, and disaster recovery. Amazon EBS provides the following volume types: General Purpose SSD, Provisioned IOPS SSD, Throughput Optimized HDD, and Cold HDD. General Purpose SSD volumes, GP2 and GP3, balance price and performance for a wide variety of transactional workloads. These volumes are ideal for use cases such as boot volumes, medium-sized single-instance databases, and development and test environments. Provisioned IOPS SSD volumes, IO1 and IO2, are designed to meet the needs of IO-intensive workloads that are sensitive to storage performance and consistency. They provide a consistent IOPS rate that you specify when you create the volume. This enables you to predictably scale to tens of thousands of IOPS per instance. Additionally, IO2 volumes provide the highest levels of volume durability. Throughput Optimized HDD volumes, Street 1, provide low-cost magnetic storage that defines performance in terms of throughput rather than IOPS. These volumes are ideal for large sequential workloads such as Amazon EMR, ETL, data warehouses, and log processing. Cold HDD volumes, SC1, provide low-cost magnetic storage that defines performance in terms of throughput rather than IOPS. These volumes are ideal for large, sequential, cold data workloads. If you require infrequent access to your data and are looking to save costs, these volumes provide inexpensive block storage. You can create your EBS volumes as encrypted volumes in order to meet a wide range of data at rest encryption requirements for regulated, audited data and applications. When you create an encrypted EBS volume and attach it to a supported instance type, data stored at rest on the volume, disk I/O, and snapshots created from the volume are all encrypted. The encryption occurs on the servers that host EC2 instances, providing encryption of data in transit from EC2 instances to EBS storage. You can create point-in-time snapshots of EBS volumes, which are persisted to Amazon S3. Snapshots protect data for long-term durability, and they can be used as the starting point for new EBS volumes. The same snapshot can be used to create as many volumes as needed. These snapshots can be copied across AWS regions. Performance metrics such as bandwidth, throughput, latency, and average queue length are available through the AWS Management Console. These metrics, provided by Amazon CloudWatch, allow you to monitor the performance of your volumes to make sure that you are providing enough performance for your applications without paying for resources you don't need. EBS volumes can be attached to EC2 instances in a variety of ways. They can be attached as root volumes, which are the primary storage for an instance, or they can be attached as additional volumes. EBS volumes can also be attached to multiple instances, which allows you to share data between instances. EBS volumes are a powerful and versatile storage option for Amazon EC2 instances. They provide a high level of performance, durability, and availability, and they can be used for a variety of workloads. Here are some additional benefits of using EBS. Scalability. EBS volumes can be scaled up or down in size to meet your changing needs. Durability. EBS volumes are durable and highly available. They are replicated across multiple availability zones, so you can be confident that your data will be available even if one availability zone fails. Encryption. EBS volumes can be encrypted at rest and in transit. This helps to protect your data from unauthorized access. Cost effectiveness. EBS volumes are a cost-effective way to store your data. You only pay for the storage that you use, and you can choose the type of volume that best meets your needs. If you are looking for a high-performance, durable, and scalable storage option for your Amazon EC2 instances, then EBS is a good choice. Thank you. Subscribe for more topics.